So I think Wild Roots trying to tell me something. I guess I have to take 3 shots. If you were me, which one would you try first? Raspberry, huckleberry, or marionberry? I'm gonna go with marionberry. Ooh, the thunk. Smells like juice. Marionberry. Oh, that's lovely. Oh, it's tart. Oh, that's good. It's so berry. We're just gonna. Whatever. Okay, so what's next? Well, we're gonna try huckleberry. Got it. My favorite part. Oh, sweet huckleberry. Didn't get wild in here. Little shit. Oh, it's deep. Oh, that's good. Oh. It's like a deep, delicious berry flavor. I ain't never had a huckleberry before, but no, I won't. This is one of the most wonderful vodkas I've ever had. It's amazing. We're just gonna go ahead and... This is definitely one of the best vodkas I've ever had so far. Hands down. Best flavor vodka. This is definitely one of the best vodkas I've ever had so far. Hands down. Best flavor vodka. So now we gotta try raspberry. How does it taste like that? And it's still 35%. It's freaking wild. It's wild. I promise you're gonna do battle with the topper. Do a video, prove me wrong. And now raspberry. If you know me, you know I love raspberry. And oh, so raspberry it is. Oh, it's literally like juice. It's like juice with a bit of a bite. Mix that with, hell, just soda water. It tastes amazing. I'm so happy that I got these bottles. If you'd like to get yours, please go ahead and check the link in my bio. Hell, they even come with the shot glasses. Cheers, guys. Let's get shook.